Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I have got crockery units for you. Traditionally crockery units, and these days display units and China cabinet people call them. China is for the China ware, not for the country China, but it's China ware that is generally displayed in these units. Then there are also display shelves and bookshelves also. You can use it like, and multiple uses. They can be kept in a living area as a display shelf. They're used in the kitchen area as crockery units. So different uses and different designs. This one is 7 feet left to right, and this is 7.5 feet left to right. This is close to 7 feet high, a couple of inches short. This one is 7.5 feet. This is 24 inches front to back. This one is 20 inches front to back. These are the broad sizes. Now, any crockery unit has got two parts. The bottom area, that is the storage area, and the display unit on the top. Now, these design can be different, just like this one or many other designs we have got, but broadly two parts, base and the top. Now, in these designs, the height of this one, now base part as I'm talking about, this is 3 feet high and this one is 2.5 feet high, half a feet, 6 inches difference, and similarly the difference on the top for the both units, the height part. Both units are in teak wood. This one is a kind of chocolate brown color in Deco paint with golden, in fact, antique golden highlighting. And another interesting thing about this one is the inlay work that we have in this one. And this is wood inlay. Inlays are of several types. It could be MOP, mother of pearls, or it could be the stone inlay, and somewhere there are different kind of inlays that is done. But majorly what we do is wood inlay. This one has got different highlighting, and the unique part about this is the curves that we have in the entire unit. If you see the door here, you will see the curve on the door. Here you see the curve, and this is one of the most difficult part, because getting the wood in the curvaceous shape is one of the most artistic work, and that is done by master artisans, because wood is flat. Now, if you are getting a shape out of the wood, either you get a very thick wood piece and waste rest of the wood, and that is total waste. But how they craft the entire thing, the curve, and get the shape out, that is the master skill that they have. And the entire carving thing, the filling, the inlay thing is done by local master artisans by hand carving, the drawing part, the designing part. After that, the fitting, the paint, everything involves human, real people. Nothing is done by machines, just small tools for cutting, carving, chiseling, and that makes these units. And when we have handmade stuff, it means somebody has really worked hard to make what you like. What you like means the size, the design, the colors, the overall look of the unit is as per your choice. And home delivery. In India or out of India to 55 countries, we have already delivered. If you're any other place and you want delivery there, we will also try and deliver to your place. In India, we have delivered to all the places from Jammu Kashmir to Andaman, from Gujarat to Tanga Valley in Arunachal Pradesh, a very far off location. Tanga Valley you may not have heard of, we have delivered there. Now, about more details, the glasses are not fit yet. Glasses are fit on site, because generally we don't provide that. But if you want, we can make it and deliver to your place. But we don't take warranty of the glasses because they are very fragile. So once we have the glasses on the doors, the shelves of the inside of the glasses, this unit will be complete. Glass work, I'll explain. This is very simple work. Every house has got doors, windows, and so many places where the glasses are fit. Every place has glass guys and they know their work. That's not very difficult. They easily fit the entire thing. They come to your place, take sizes, bring the glass and fit it. Not very difficult and not very cost different, because it is a standard practice, standard thing that is available everywhere. About the color of this unit, we call it Gold Rush, and this has got this dark highlighting with beautiful paint and the curvaceous design that you see inside. This is the door part, and then we have one door on this side, the other on that side. Then we have two big cabinets, one on this side, one on the other, a big drawer right here. It's a very deep drawer. You can see my hand till the elbow part is inside. Then we have a middle drawer and a drawer underneath. And overall, one of the finest designs in crockery units. The designs are too many. And this is not limited because these days we have got AI. And you go to the AI app, give it a prompt, tell it that I want something like this color and this shape and this size, this design. It'll throw you several images. So designs are unlimited and we are making it. We have recently made several units that are from the AI designs. Artificial intelligence makes the design and we convert that to reality. We are doing it in the same colors, though there is always a little difference because AI still is not that smart that they can pick the fine things. Just like in one unit, the AI designed something where it has very spiky, very pointy designs outside, and this is not practical. It may hurt someone. So these things are sorted and we make the final design. The design you can pick, size you can pick, the colors is your choice. Where you want the delivery in India or outside India, we take care of that. And thousands of items that we have delivered already is in the testimonial section on the website. You can see it, everything from beds, dining, sofas, crockery units, big wardrobes, temples, partition screens, and swings, and so much other stuff, and different items sometimes, like a very different looking pedestal or very different looking Corinthian design, a stool design, some bookshelf, some kind of a display rack. Very different designs we have made and delivered successfully. Arson is an international trademark, and the best part you get from us is branded product at factory price because we are making it, delivering directly to your place. No agent, no trader, no commission person, best prices and best quality and choice wala furniture that is of your choice. So let us know what you want, select from the website or from the internet. Let us know what changes you want, decide according to your theme, according to your interiors, according to your liking. We'll make it and deliver to your place at factory price. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.